Okay, this might look like a regular scrunchie to you. And it is a scrunchie, but look, it's got a secret pocket to put your lipstick or your money. I'll show you next how to do that. Okay, here's the secret pocket. Okay, let's put our money in it. Or actually, let's put our lipstick. Put our lipstick in there, zip it. And if you want to put your money too, you just zip it in there. Okay, I've got my money in there and lipstick. So you just put it in there and then we'll zip it. It's hard to zip with one hand, but I'll zip it in just a second. Okay, it's got our lipstick and money in there. It's in there. You might not even see it, but it's in there. It's so exciting. It's the cutest little scrunchie. Stash in style. And nobody knows. Okay, I can either wear it on my wrist, okay, or we can put it in our hair. And no one knows. Our money and our lipstick are in there. Okay, the stash and style will be on the website later today. So look out for that. It's pretty exciting.